Hello everyone and welcome back. Today we're going to see how to allow Bedrock players on Java Aternos. To let Minecraft Bedrock Edition players join a Java server, you need a proxy plugin such as Geyser, MC, and usually Floodgate. Go to your Aternos dashboard, software, then choose Paper MC, Spigot, or Bucket, which are plugins only work with these. Go to the Plugins tab and search for Geyser MC, then click Install. Search for Floodgate and click Install. This lets Bedrock players join without a Java account. Now, after installing both plugins, restart your server from the console, and Bedrock players will now connect using your Aternos IP, same as Java, and default Bedrock port is 19132. Make sure they enter this when connected. If you want to give Bedrock players operator rights, you need to prefix their name with a dot in the OP list. And that's it. Now both Java and Bedrock players can join the same Aternos server. Thank you guys for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.